with Ayanna and Zuri.
Today we will be testing out 3 different types of ramps. Okay, Audrey hasn't been here for like 3 days, but she's back now. Me and Zuri got materials from our room to make ramps.
We have slick, smooth, and bumpy.
I think that slick would work the best, and I think that bumpy will work the worst.
I think smooth will work the best, and I think bumpy will work the worst.
I think slick will work the best because I think the other ones are like this one's kind of bumpy and this one's just like straight, not bumpy at all.
Smooth will work the best because it looks really steady, but these two, this one looks a little bit like it's gonna fall off, and this one looks too off.
Let's test it out.
One, two, three. My prediction was right.
My predictions were all right. The smoothest ramp made the car go the furthest.
The bumpy ramp made the car go the shortest distance.
The smoother something is, the less friction it has.
Friction tries to make things stop. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.